Imagine hitting Marvel's lowest point, where everything you've ever known crumbles around you and the darkness seems impenetrable. This is the moment Iron Man's story truly ignites. Welcome to Doom Dominion X. This is Iron Man rising from the ashes. Tony Stark was once the epitome of arrogance. Wealth, power, and unparalleled success were his daily reality. Yet, beneath this dazzling exterior was a man tormented by his own inner demons, profound self-doubt, intense isolation, and a life marred by reckless decisions. He appeared invincible to the world, but internally, he was imprisoned by chaos and turmoil. Then came the fall. Captured, tortured, and on the brink of death, Tony Stark's existence was reduced to a fragile thread. All his grandeur, all his luxuries vanished. In the harrowing depths of his captivity, his arrogance shattered. No longer the celebrated playboy, he was now a man facing his own vulnerability head-on. Each wound was a savage reminder of his frailty, each moment of pain a brutal reckoning with his own mortality. This torment, however, was not his end, but a harrowing crucible for transformation. In that abyss of despair, a spark of hope ignited. From the ashes of his shattered life, Tony Stark began a monumental reconstruction, not just of his body, but of his very soul. He crafted the Iron Man suit from his ruins, turning his greatest suffering into a symbol of redemption. This armor wasn't just metal, it was his resurrection, his new beginning. Out of the darkness arose a beacon of unyielding power, a testament to relentless determination forged in the fires of his trials. Each battle Tony Stark fought wasn't merely a conflict with foes, it was a victory over his deepest fears. With every clash, every victory, he shed his former self and emerged anew as Iron Man. His journey was not just about defeating external enemies, but about conquering the darkness within. Each triumph was a profound affirmation of his unbreakable willpower, a shining testament to the strength crafted in adversity's furnace. Tony Stark's journey is not merely a tale of heroism, but a powerful symbol of resilience. When life seems to crumble around you, remember that you have the power to rebuild, to rise from your failures, and to reclaim your strength. True power lies not in avoiding the fall, but in the courage to rise after every fall. Embrace your struggles, confront your darkest moments, and let them forge you into a stronger, more resilient version of yourself. So, the next time you face your own shadows, think of Tony Stark. Embrace the chaos, rise from your own ashes, and transform into your own version of Iron Man. Through the crucible of your trials, discover your own unbreakable strength. Are you ready to become your own hero? Rise up and face the darkness with unwavering resolve. Your time to shine is now.